Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2017-18, and we'll show you guys if you have a code for the EGR or you have problems with your EGR, which fuse to check for that. There is one fuse and it's actually for two things. It's for oxygen sensors and EGR as well, oxygen sensor heater. So in the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. We need to go ahead, open the hood now. Okay, there is one cover here for the fuse box, so we need to go ahead and remove that cover. There is a thing that you press in, okay, and you pull it out. Perfect. Now on the back side you can see the different labels and the different numbering for the fuses. So we need to locate fuse number 32, okay, the very bottom one here on the left side. Okay, the second if you start 31, 32. So we'll need to get that fuse puller out, okay, right here, that tooth, press in, pull the fuse puller out, and next to the fuse actually you can see it says F32, so that's the fuse that we need. In our case it's a 10M fuse, so we'll go on top of it, then on the front side we'll squish in, pull the fuse out. This is it guys, this is the fuse right here. So you can check that the element inside is perfectly fine, okay, it doesn't seem burned, but I would recommend to test them with a voltmeter, you know, for continuity. Super simple. All the parts and tools that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. We have it set at continuity. It's like testing a wire if it's if it has connection or not, okay, like touching the two lights has good connection. So if the fuse is good, that number will go to 0, otherwise it will stay at 1. Here the beep means that the fuse is good, otherwise it will be like you're not touching it. So this is guys the fuse for the EGR, on that Ford Focus MK3. When you're ready to install it, okay, all we have to do, just make sure that you get it in the canal there, because sometimes you will not go all the way in and you will try to force it and you will bend the connection under the fuse. So if it doesn't go too easy, just pull it out, inspect everything, put it back again. After that, don't forget to put your fuse puller, okay, right here, so you don't lose it and you have it here next time. And next step will be just to close the cap, okay, make sure it goes all the way in, put it on, and that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.